Alrighty, hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to the free market update for Wednesday, January the 7th of this brand new year. Interesting. I'll tell you one thing we do have a lot of right now, and that is volatility and two, uncertainty. We've got the payrolls at the end of this week, and if you look back to the beginning of 2014, the S&P started off with a 100 handle dip, and that's what we've got here. About 2087 down to 1987 today. I mean, give or take a couple points here and there, but basically 100 points. And so I got a bunch of winners on the board in the premium update, but one of which is not these S&Ps. I told you last night I was looking for the bounce today for all the reasons I gave you yesterday. The fact is, we got a 10 handle bounce in the morning. We were up about plus 10, and then the wheels fell off and the thing absolutely fell apart. Traded all the way down to about 1985, 86, basically, whatever. Like I said, 100 off the highs up there. I'll leave you with this again. I'm looking for the bounce. I was looking for it yesterday. We got it early, but then the wheels fell off and down she came. And best I got for you is this: you keep it light and tight, and be careful in this volatility. You make your money and you shut the machine down, take it, be happy, call it a day. You don't have to sit around and fight this thing all day long. And I think that's probably good advice, especially given the fact that the payrolls are at the end of the week. And so let's leave it there. Hope this helps. Y'all have a good trade. Nice evening, and look to catch you at the next update. Good night. Hey everybody, good afternoon, and welcome to the free market update for December the 31st, coming into the end of the year. So first thing, I'd like to say Happy New Year to everyone who watches these videos. It's been a good year. It's been a great year, and so I hope that it has been for you as well. Hope these videos help. I really do, because that's the intent behind them. And that's why we do what we do. So wish everybody a good happy new year. Hope 2014 was a good year for you, and 2015 even better. And so with that, let's get started. So today, as we see, we're looking at a daily S&P chart here. We come in this morning and the yen's up pretty nicely and the bonds are up pretty nicely. So I tell everybody in the room that while I like the market higher, as we've been discussing for some time now, it does not mean that it can't sit down a little bit. And so with that, this morning, I didn't really want to be a seller, but yet I advised that I think we're going to get a chance to buy them at a little bit of a discount, call it 10 handles or so. And we did. They sat down some, 10 or so points, and you had that chance if you wanted, to do that. But you don't watch this tonight to hear about what happened today. You want to know about tomorrow. And so my thinking in what we're looking at right here, and the fact that it's the end of the year tomorrow, that what's likely, I believe, in my opinion, we're going to say first thing in the morning, people's emotions are going to take over if they're in oil services and drillers and that kind of thing, and even maybe gold, miners for that matter too. And they'll probably come in tomorrow and just say, you know what, just let me out. I'll just take the bruise and get to start next year fresh. Put it on this year's books, I'll write it off, start fresh. If that's the case, you're going to see this market break in the morning first thing, an hour or so. It's the capitulation, basically people's, emotions, taking over, and they're just like, just get me out. So with that, imagine the market makers are just going to kind of throw their hands up and walk away from the bid for the first hour or so and say, let it, understanding it's not going to be the most sophisticated of clientele that's going to be reacting in such a manner. And so market makers just kind of step back, walk away from the bid for a bit, let the thing break an hour or so, and then you buy them. And you buy them. because this market pulling back these couple of points today doesn't mean that, you know, that the trend is broken. Look at it. It didn't even make it back to the 80 MA today. It probably will tomorrow. You know, it's going to, I wouldn't imagine, given what we saw today, it's going to, you know, sit down first thing in the morning and you buy them. But if you're trying to buy this thing for 3 handles, then you need to be in the trade room with us looking for really good levels. What I'm talking about is buying them on a break for 3 days, 5 days, that kind of thing. I'm not talking about buying them for 3 handles. So that is my thought process. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. The yen had a very good day today, up over 1%. That's conviction. You know, that's conviction. Over 1% is conviction. The bonds had a good day today. When I walk in this morning and the yen and the bonds are both up the way they were, you know, I say to the room, like I said, you know, hey, listen, yeah, I like the market, but it doesn't mean that, you know, we got to buy them right here. Let's be patient and we'll buy them on a 10-handle, you know, break. And so we can do, I got a feeling we'll be able to do that in the morning as well. That's it. That's what I've got for you. But I do want to say that's been a blast. It's been fun. It's been a good year. And, you know, hope to have an opportunity to do it again next year. And we have a good year next year. So thanks for your participation and your interest, and for watching these videos, because without you there is no us. And so Happy New Year. Catch you at the next update.